Lotus. If you are enjoying my video, be sure to give a big thumbs up and comment down below how you like it, and make sure you subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Take a moment to subscribe, and a huge shout out to my comment gallery. Thank you guys so much for your comments. If you aren't part of my comment gallery, what you have to do is leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. With that all being said, let's get started with today's So guys, I have 3 stones here and I have painted them all white acrylic paint, and I have drawn the lotus in the big stone with the help of a graphite pencils, and the 2 small stone are lotus buds, which I will be painting later on. I will be showing first the painting of lotus. So let's get started. So guys, at this point I have completed all my stones painting, and here is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys. Meet you in next video.